Hello and welcome to the MailerLite Magic. This is Ruthie Gray from ruthiegray.com. Today we're going to talk about video 2, the dashboard. Create a new workflow. So say you want to be in automation. You want a series, like a 5-day series or a 30-day series or 4-week series, whatever you want to do, 7-day, to go out at a certain time. So you click in automation, create a new workflow. You got to set up your trigger, and let's say we want to name it, I don't know, Bible 101. And when a subscriber joins a group, or you can do the anniversary of a date, you can do the exact match of a date, or when a subscriber clicks on a link, which we talked about a few episodes back. But for now, we're going to do when a subscriber joins a group. So hopefully you already have your group picked out that you want them to join. And so you select the group. And let's say I'm just going to select my list, my regular list. Okay. And you can choose to reactivate the full workflow for subscribers who rejoin, but I don't do that because I think that is laborious, so we don't do that. Save. Then the next thing you can do is decide what you want to do. Do you want to delay for 1 day? You can do that. Or you can delay for 1 week, or a month, or a specific time of day, week, month, or year. The last flow that I made was called 5 Days to a Healthier You, Body, Mind, and Soul, and it had to start on Monday, and it continues to start on Monday. So that would be specific day of the week, and you click Monday and whatever time you want, which my ideal time is 6 a.m. Okay. So, but if, like, say this is your welcome series, you'll want to do it right away. You want to have that first email sent right away because people will forget who you are. So wait till the current day is Monday, let's say, and then we're going to create an email. When you create the email, you want to write a subject such as Ephesians. And this is from it's ruthiegray.mom now, and everything is still in re-release regroup. Same content, new name. You always want to use Google Analytics when tracking your emails, and then you design your email. You have a choice here. You can use a rich text editor, which simply means it's just plain. Or you can use a drag and drop editor, which that's what I use. But I go to my templates, which are recent emails. So I'm hoping that comes up, but it's not working. Oh, here we go. Recent emails. So this is what you can preview it. If you previewed it, it would look like this. Wonder what the Monday Manna looks like. That's what it looks like, okay? So that's what I want. So I select it. And there it is. You can choose. You can put a little teeny teaser right here, like Soul Comfort. They will see it on their subject line. But then so they kind of wonder. And then it's kind of like you get two chances or 2 shots at a subject line because you have the little one and the big one. And then I usually put my header here. It's already here because it's my template. And then this is simply a text. You can drag and drop the text over here, okay, which is what I did. And now I want to get rid of that because I want to keep that template. And then all the way to the bottom, sometimes I put in an image. That's what this is. This is the image. If you want to change it, you can click here and then save it. And then, by the way, our Truth Bites app for moms is a daily quick devotional, 200 to 300 words for busy moms. It's free. It's in Google, and it's for iPhone as well. And so just go look. It's there. It's free. It's brand new. And then here, I always keep this the same at the end, except sometimes I change the PS, and then there's my disclosure. And sometimes I change this, like if I wanted to change my link. If I want to change a link, I just click on that. Come up here. There's my link. It's my ebook. Okay? And save. And we're done. And then if you want to add more emails, then you do that in the sequence. And then when you're done, you can spill the sequence out into another group or return it to a group. And that is the end of this video. Ooh, ooh.